Good morning, children. Today we are learning the grammar part of our lesson number 7. Here we are learning the writing part. So today we are learning message. A message is a short piece of information written when we are unable to speak to someone. Only the most important bits of information are mentioned in the message. So here, what a message is, when it is useful. A message we write, it's a short piece of information to convey some important information to them. So here we write only a small piece of notice in which we are writing it for the concerned person to whom you are writing. So how to write and what is that, let's learn now. Here, read this telephonic conversation. It's a conversation. Conversation means it's an exchange of words between the two people. It's called conversation. So where is this conversation going on? It's on a phone, that is a telephone. Anam and Aruna. We have the two children or the two people. They are the Anam and Aruna. Who called and what they are asking, let's see. Hello. Anam, hello. Is Shalini at home? So here, Anam is asking for whom? Anam is asking for Shalini. Is she at home? Aruna, no. What the reply she is giving? No. She went out with uncle an hour ago. I am Aruna, her sister. May I take a message? So what here? Who's Aruna it seems here? Aruna is Shalini's sister. Anam called for whom? She called to talk Shalini. I am Aruna, her sister. So she is sister and she asked, if you have a message, I'll pass him the message. Anam. I am Anam, her partner in the dance class. Who's Anam it seems? She is a partner in dance class. Could you please request her to inform our teacher that I will be absent today? I was also supposed to return Shalini's record player. As I can't do that today, I will return it on the next day. So what she conveyed the message? Anam told that I am her partner, means I am her partner in the dance class. So I am not coming today. So it is better to inform our teacher. And I also have Shalini's record player, which she need to return, which she is supposed to return on today. But as she is not coming on this day, she called to convey the message that she will return it on the next day. Aruna, I will convey your message to Shalini. Anam, thanks, bye. So here, this was the conversation. So she said that, okay, I'll give your message to my sister. And they both said bye to each other. Now, how to write that message? First thing, to write a message is, write the heading as message. write a heading as message and write date 3rd April. Here it's written as 2019. As it's a video of today's, so we'll write it as today's date of 2021. Shalini. So to whom we are writing? We are writing it to Shalini. Write the date on the right hand side. Time on right hand side, date on left hand side. So receiver, who's the receiver to whom we are writing? We are writing it to Shalini. What's the message? Here, I am called to request you to inform your dance class teacher that she will not be able to attend the class today. She will return your record player the next day you meet. Aruna. Here, Aruna left a message to her sister Shalini that your dance teacher, your partner of your dance has called, and she told that to inform your teacher that she is not going to come today, and also she will return your record player the next day. This is the way to write the message. Now here we have a message on page number 93, and you children are supposed to do this as your homework. Page number 93. I'll check it in our Zoom class. This one. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next. Thank you.